Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Marcus by Goldman Sachs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type marcus.com into the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs homepage. Locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page prompting you for your credentials. Enter your email address associated with your Marcus account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Click the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page. Repeat the previous steps to enter your email and new password. Click Login once more. You should now be logged into your Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. Explore your dashboard and access the features available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.